never let go of true love. I will give my body and soul for true love. Every day in my heart I feel it grow with true love. Oh, oh, true love, 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 yeah. Each day I'll extend my hand, give my all and do whatever I can for a good life of joy and happiness. Everything I do, I start in His name forever. What's in my heart is all of the love from our true love. It's a gift, I will never let go of true love. I will give my body and